Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. I often buy fresh peeled garlic from the Korean market in bulk because there are times that I need a pound, 2 pounds, sometimes 5 pounds of peeled garlic for events. And I don't have 25 stages that are unpaid that are gonna pick all the garlic for me. Then there are days like today where I'm left with this, about a pound of raw garlic. Peeled garlic shelf life is pretty decent if you keep it in a nice sealed, dry container. But a better way to store this is garlic confit. And you're only gonna need 2 ingredients, garlic and oil. So I got my 2-quart stock pot here. We're gonna add in our garlic. Now you just wanna put enough olive oil to cover. I'm gonna turn my heat up to exactly 225 degrees, or a low simmer. Now if you have a gas or electric range, you just wanna have your garlic going at a very low simmer, just a little bit of activity on the top from the oil. We're gonna cook it uncovered for a minimum of 2 hours. We just wanna cook our garlic until it has a beautiful golden brown color and can be easily turned into a paste. This right here is exactly what you want, this beautiful little dance on the top of the oil. Some of your garlic's gonna float, don't worry about it, it's gonna sink eventually. I turned my heat down to 212 degrees. The 225 was just a little bit too high. It was a little too active. You just want a slight dance. Our garlic confit has been going for exactly 2 hours. Let's check it out. Look at how beautiful that is. GBD. The whole house smells like roasted garlic right now. Now I want to let it cool down completely in this pot before transferring it. Got some beautiful sourdough bread here. Smash a little, look how easy that's smashed. Sprinkle a little salt on that. I'm gonna start making scented candles with confit garlic smell to it. Oh yeah. The slow cooking process brings out all of the sweetness of the garlic. Confitting your garlic gets rid of all that sharpness that garlic has, and you're just left with this beautiful aromatic confit roasted scent and flavor. It's sweet, it's got the umami to it. This is what you want to use for making garlic bread. This is what you want to use to add a little bit of extra flavor into a pasta sauce. And not just the garlic, we have all this amazing infused garlic oil to use now. If you want to check out the rest of my basics of cooking, click right there. If you want to check out some of my cocktails, click on up there for Thirsty Thursdays. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.